Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 3.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
China's crude oil imports from Russia soared 55% from a year earlier to a record level in May, displacing Saudi Arabia as the top supplier, as refiners cashed in on discounted supplies amid sanctions on Moscow over its invasion of Ukraine. The Bank of England should raise rates faster than it has done so far, because weakness in the value of the pound is adding to inflation pressures in Britain, interest rate setter Catherine Mann said. The euro rose despite French President Emmanuel Macron losing an absolute majority in the country's parliamentary election, as the dollar retreated against its major peers after hitting a 20-year peak last week.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.